First problem, let's go ahead and solve this equation for y. I have to add 3x to both sides. Notice I'm writing the 3x not under 24 but to the right because I do not want to combine those two terms. These cancel. Bring down what's left. Bring down what's left, but be careful. Change the order. Put 3x first. Why? Because we want this to look like y equals mx plus b when we finish. So this is the mx, this is the plus b. Now 24 is negative. So I'm going to write minus 24. Now divide by 4. The answer is y equals 3 over 4x minus 6. Let's do another one. 5x minus 3y equals 9. This time we are not going to add 5x, or the x term. We're going to subtract it because 5x is positive. It's gone. Move it to the other side of the equal sign. Write it to the side. Good. Now bring down what's left. Negative 3y equals negative 5x plus 9. Then you divide by negative 3. Now, do you guys have questions about what I've done thus far? Do you understand why I subtracted negative 5x? Any questions? Yes, I am dividing by negative 3. Do not change the sign. Leave it negative. So you divide 9 and the negative 3 into each other to get that one number? Yes, ma'am. This is going to be a negative divided by negative, 5 over 3x. And yes, this positive 9 will be divided by negative 3, and that gives me minus 3. Well, I have a positive 9, and when I divide that by negative 3, the calculator gives me negative 3. So that means write minus 3. And real quick, let's go over point slope. Point slope is this equation. Negative 3 times x, negative 3 times minus 2, now subtract 4 or add 4. We have to add because we want it to cancel. So cancel, cancel. Now add 4 only to the 6. Y equals negative 3x plus 10. One more. Y plus 3 equals negative 5, open parentheses, x plus 2. Why not? What do I do first? Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Good. Now negative 5 times 2 is going to be negative, are we adding because of the plus sign, or are we multiplying because of the parentheses? Meaning we're using the distributive property. We're multiplying. So that is -5 times a positive 2. Remember, cover that x up. Treat that as positive 2. So that will be -10. Well, to be honest, it's a -10 when I cover that up. But because I'm writing it behind -5x, that is -10. Bring down what's left. Subtract 3. Be careful. This is a -10 minus 3, which is -13. But because I'm writing it behind the x term, it's -13. Bring down your y. You guys want another one?
Yeah.
Would you like the starting from point slope and then ending in slope intercept? Or do you want to go back to the other problems? This one? Okay. So y minus 8 equals to, open parentheses, x plus 4. Tell me what to do. Okay, 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 4, which is?
8.
And then y minus 8, which is? Be careful. 2 times 4 gives you the 8 behind 2x. I have another 8 beneath it because I am canceling this term over here by adding it.
So the answer that you get is going to be the first answer that you get is going to be the answer to the equation.
Well, all I'm doing is transforming the equation. I'm no longer the car. I'm now Bumblebee.